Michael's investing here, and real quick, I'm going to give you a 60-second explanation of how the stock market works. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please feel free to click subscribe. All right, so first it starts off like this. You have a company issuing stock, and you have a broker, the middleman, and you have buyers. So these buyers all want different amounts of stock. And so the broker takes their total amount of stock that they want and puts the order into the company. And the company says, all right, you can have these 10 shares of stock. So the broker gets these 10 shares of stocks and gives them to the different buyers, and they're all willing to pay $20 each. So the current price you'll see down in this bottom right is $20 a share. Now, a new person comes along and they're willing to pay $21. So the company stock was trading at 20. Now they're like, all right, I'll give you 21. So now the new price just becomes 21. But where does that 21 come from? Well, it turns out this person is actually willing to sell for $21. They just bought it for 20, but they're willing to sell for 21. And so now this person gets their stock, and then the price is 21. And that represents how the supply and demand of the limited amount of stock quantity is in the stock market and how the price is correlated. Thank you.